I love the outdoor cats that come to my house. They're not mine. I know that they live on the streets, but I feel bad because when winter comes, I know they suffer. I've seen them walking really bad and really cold. So I made these cool containers, couple of them. And what I did is that I used these plastic containers that you can buy at your hardware store and this 2-inch styrofoam insulation sheeting. I also bought some, some covers and this 6-inch corrugated pipe. I have some left over. You can use that, or you can use other means to make a little perforation and avoid a lot of water or wind going in. So what I did is that I made the cuts, and eventually I actually made the circumference to make the perforation on the sheet, allowing enough space. The cats love to sleep in snug places, and this being a large container allows me to make a small house inside, not being so massive, so they can actually retain the heat during those extremely cold months of the year. So this corrugated pipe, I had some left over in my house, and I'm gonna leave it about 4 inches exposed outside. This will cover for rain and some like cross winds or direct wind that will go inside, so they can actually cover themselves. I lure them by putting a little bit of food outside and a little bit of catnip inside. They love catnip, this little herb that they just kind of rub against. So I'm going to leave just like 4 inches. You can put a little bit of silicone around the seal so it won't move as much. But I made a couple of them, and now once you put that lid on top, that cover, you want to make sure that it's below the seal of the lid. So whenever you close the lid will be nice and snug, so you can actually cover it with a little bit of a tape so it doesn't move. The cool thing is that you can service this, you can clean it out really well every year, and it will be ready for the next season. So this is something that you're gonna have. I'm gonna put a little bit of a duct tape around, but look how nice and sealed it looks like. It's really, really nice to have a place. I put that little catnip, like I said. Catnip is like a herb that they love, and sometimes I grow it in my house, but you can buy it at a pet store, and you can just rub it on their toys and stuff. They love it. But being nice and close like that, you will be able to service it and make sure that they don't gonna lose their natural heat, so they will stay nice and safe during the winter times. I have now a little bit of duct tape on the edges, so I can move it around without kind of losing the lid. Especially if you have like really windy days, you can put it under your house, you can put it on your shed, on your garage, your outdoor building, whatever you know that they come, and just put a little bit of food on the front of it so they will feel nice, and naturally they will go inside. I hope this video will help you. Please subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and comment if you like it. Let me know and share it with your friends. Bye bye.